My opponent's mom is now spending a total of $4 million to oust me as LA City Controller. Today, she just dropped another $1.5 million on deceptive attack ads, digging up an old story that's over 3 years old. That wasn't true back then, and it was publicly addressed as well. I've been in office for 3.5 years, and I know my record speaks for itself, and I hope that I've gained your trust. My opponent, his rich mom, and his billionaire friends are part of the wealthy elite class that are buying elections, which is everything wrong with politics. Don't let them distract you from that. My opponent is running on a negative campaign because he cannot run on his record. His record of being a registered lobbyist, a registered real estate developer, and the asset manager of a company that just defaulted on over $1 billion this year. Los Angeles, you're about to be bombarded by vicious attack ads against me. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or need any clarification. We cannot let big money buy the city controller seat.